name is Snehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 18 September 2021. Today topic is control statement. There are the four control statement. First one is a conditional operator. Second one is a jump. Third one is a ternary. Fourth one is a loop. First I will explain you the conditional statement. There are the four type of conditional statement. First one is a if. When if condition executed, whenever a condition will be true. Syntax: if condition block of statement. Then example: integer age equals to 22. If age greater than 18, then block of statement says out age is greater. In output is age is greater. It means condition is true. Second one is a if else. If condition will be executed when condition becomes true. Otherwise it execute the false. It means execute the else part when condition becomes false. Syntax of the if else condition is if condition, then else, block of statement, then end of the syntax. For example, integer number equals to 13, then if number mod 2 equals to 0, then number is even, else then number is odd. The output is number is odd. Then second part is a if else. If is a if whenever a condition becomes true. Then else if is a also a when condition becomes true. Then if else if part will be executed, then else part when condition become false. The syntax of if else if condition is if condition block of statement, else if block of statement, else. Then example of the if else if condition is if integer number equals to 13, then if number greater than 0, then a number is positive. Else if number less than 0, then number is negative. The else number is 0, then output is number is positive. Last one is a nested if. It means that if within the if, when outer block will be executed, then inner block will be executed. Otherwise no one block will executed into the nested if. Syntax: if condition, then nested if within if second if condition, then block of statement, and then end of the statement. For example, integer number equals to 2021, then if number mod 100 equals to 0, then if number mod 400 equals to 0, then year is leap year, else year is not leap year. Then else into if number mod 4 equals to 0, then else year is leap year, else year is not leap year, and then output is year is not leap year. Then these are the four conditional statement. And then the second one is a loop. Into the loop, first loop is a for loop. Loop is a set of instruction which is execute it repeatedly when some condition becomes true. For loop is a control flow statement that it execute the iteration of the program multiple time. It is when you have a given iteration, then you can use the for loop. For loop condition, syntax of the for loop is for loop, initialization, condition, and then increment, decrement. First one, initialization. Initialization execute only once when we execute the code. Initial variable we can declare into the for loop, or we can use the already initialized variable. Then condition execute each time until the condition will be false. It is a totally depends on the boolean, either true or false. When then the statement will be executed until the condition will be false. Then increment decrement, it is a variable which can use for the incrementation or the decrementation. This condition is optional. Then next loop is a while loop. While loop is a control flow statement that is use the iteration of the program repeatedly until the condition is false. Then when you don't know the iteration, then you can use the while loop. While loop syntax is while condition, then block of statement, then end of the while loop. For example, integer number 1 equals to integer now equals to 1, then while now less than equals to 10, then says out I, then I plus plus, then end of the while loop. Third one is a do while loop. Do while loop is a number of iteration executed when program then it is a iteration when program will be run. It is execute the iteration when at least one when program will be run. You must have to execute at least one the program, then you can use the do while loop. And further condition depends upon the condition. Then you want to execute the code at least once, then you can use a do while loop. The syntax of the do while loop is a do into pair of curly braces, increment decrement, then while loop and semicolon. Example, do integer I equals to 1, do then into block of statement says out I plus plus, then while loop I less than equals to 10, semicolon. These are the 3 loops which I'm explained now. Then next one is a jump. Into the jump there are the three types. First one is a continue. Continue is a execute the program continuously until the condition will be until the iteration will be ended, or until the until the condition will false. Then second one is a break statement, which is used in a switch case, which is used in a do while loop and for loop and do while loop. We can use the break statement in all loop. Then last one is a return. Return is terminate the method. Return is used to terminate the method. Return is not allowed to use a return keyword into the void method. It is exit from the method. Syntax of the returns is jump statement, then return. Then last point is a ternary operator. Ternary operator assign the variable. It is a conditional operator. There are the 3 part of the ternary operator, which is a bracket, question mark and colon. The syntax of the ternary operator is variable equals to condition into bracket condition, then question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2. These are all are the control statement which is I am trying to explain. Thank you.